If you're working on your Amazon app and if it is not working properly, how do you fix it? We are going to see in this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. If you are opening your Amazon app on your home screen and if it is not showing properly whatever you're asking for, and if you want everything to be in place, what you can do, come out of this one and close the one if it is possible. Otherwise, if it's not closing, if it is frozen on your screen, immediately get into your top right corner, scroll down like this and get into this settings icon by just tapping here. Upon tapping there, you'll be falling into the settings menu of your Android phone, whatever you're using, and out of which this is the thing for you, apps and notifications. In some of the Android phones it may be mentioned as only apps, and in some of the phones it will be mentioned as apps and notification. Just tap it on this apps and notifications. Upon tapping apps and notification, you'll be falling into so many options here under this one, and straight away get into all apps. Like I have around 63 apps which are downloaded on this Android phone, and out of which Amazon is mentioned on the top itself because it is from the alphabetical order. It is on my top. Otherwise, if you are having any other app about this one, just get into Amazon here. Just tap it on Amazon. Upon tapping, you will understand so many options are given under this app info, and straight away you have to get into the storage and cache memory. Just tap it on storage and cache, and going to storage and cache, initially what you can do, you can just clear your cache memory. Just tap it here. That's all. Boom, your cache memory is clear properly and it has been made as a 0 byte. And thereafter you can also clear the storage here so that everything would be out of this one, and make it okay. That's all. Boom, your user data has become 0, your cache has become 0, and now your Amazon should work properly. Just come back from here. And another thing what you can do, you can also force stop this one. Just tap it here. Upon doing this one, everything should be properly working.